Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my physics channel, that is physics tutorial by Jinkle Grover. So today we will do one numerical based on the electric field due to dipole, right? So first let us understand the two formulas that is based on the dipole. So first one is electric field due to dipole at an axial point. That means you have to find the electric field due to a dipole at an axial point, then you have to apply this formula, right? So basically first understand what is dipole. The dipole is system of two equal and opposite charges. That means this is a minus q charge and here it's plus q. So it is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance of 2a, right? So distance between them is 2a. So this is the length of a dipole. Now the a point is the axial point for this dipole. What do you mean by axial? That means the point along the axis of the dipole, right? So a point become the axial point. Now this b point is not an axial point, it's an equatorial point for this dipole. Equatorial means perpendicular distance from the dipole, right? So these 2 points have different formula for applying the electric field due to dipole, right? So first one is a formula due to axial point. If you find electric field due to dipole at this axial point A, and if you find the electric field due to this dipole minus q plus q at point B, then you have to apply this formula, right? So these two formula I have derived already, right? So if you want to see the full derivation, you can get the link for the full video lecture in the description of this video, right? Okay, let's understand first numerical, then you will see which formula you have to apply in below example. Okay, so calculate the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole of length 10 centimeter. That means the length of a dipole is a 10 centimeter. So what it is given to you? The length of dipole. That means 2a is given to you, right? So because 2a is the length of dipole, so 2a is equal to 10 centimeter. That means when you convert into meter, it will become 0.1 meter, right? Now the charge is given to you, that is plus minus 2 microcoulomb. So q is 2 microcoulomb. This plus minus just simply to denote the polarities, right? That means plus and minus q charge. So 2 into micro means 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Now if 2a is given to you, you can easily find the value of a. Now the point is that charge where we have to find the electric field intensity is a distance of 50 centimeter from each charge. That means जिस point charge पे हमें electric field find out करनी है वो equally distance है दोनों charges से, minus q और plus q से, right? So now you will see this a point, that is the axial point, is it equally distance from both these charges? Minus q say distance is this much, but from plus q the distance is this much. So these two distances are not equal. Now come to equatorial point. As you see, if you draw the join this line, that means minus q and b and plus q, these are two equally distance, right? So that means you have to apply the formula for equatorial point in the below numerical, right? Okay, now you will see, yes, the diagram like this figure is like this: minus 2 microcoulomb because charge is given to you, and here plus 2 microcoulomb. This distance is r, right? And this distance is a because total distance is 2a, so half of the distance is a and this is also a. So if this is r and this is a, apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle PON, right? So Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square, that is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is base in our case? Base is a, right? A. So I will put a here, a square. And what is perpendicular? That is r. So that is r square. Take the whole square root, you will get the value of p, and that is the hypotenuse, right? And according to numerical, that distance is already given to you because the point is equidistant from each charge. So this distance is 50 centimeter and this is also 50 centimeter, right? So that means r square plus a square whole square root, the value is given to you, that is 50 centimeter. This is also 50 centimeter, right? So now apply the formula, that is formula for equatorial point. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is what? That is 9 into 10 to the power 9. So I will put down the value of 9 into 10 to the power 9, that is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, right? Now come to this p. This p is a dipole moment, right? So what is the formula of dipole moment? That is 2a into q, 2 as it is, and what is the value of a? A value is given to you because 2a is given to you. From that you will find A. So that is 5 into 10 to the minus 2. Now the come to Q, that is charge, that is 2 microcoulomb. So 2 micro means 10 to the minus 6. So left one is value of this one. As you know, r square plus a square whole square root value is given to you. What is that? That is 50 centimeter. I will convert into 0.5 meter. That means meters में convert कर लिया, right? Now you have to find the formula value of r square plus a square raised to power 3 by 2. But you have the value of r square plus a square raised to power half. So this one, yes, this bracket value is given to you. That means 0.5, right? That you will find 0.5 meter. So just cube it, you will get the value of this quantity. Put down the value and solve the numerical. You will get the value 1.44 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb, right? So this is a numerical based on the electric field due to dipole. You can solve the numerical based on the exit point also, right? Okay guys, I hope you will understand this lecture. If any query, any doubt, let me know in the comment section, right? And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Physics Tutorial by Jinkle Grover. You can follow me on Instagram, the link is given in the description, and follow me on the Facebook page also for any query and for upcoming notifications, right? So thank you so much. Check out the all videos on the YouTube. Goodbye.